Olive oil is a type of oil that is made from the fruit of the olive tree. It is commonly used in cooking, salad dressings, and as a condiment. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered to be healthy fats that may help to reduce the risk of heart disease and other health problems. It also contains antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Olive oil is produced in many regions around the world, but the most well-known and highly regarded varieties come from the Mediterranean region. There are several grades of olive oil, including extra virgin, virgin, and refined olive oil, which differ in terms of their flavor, aroma, and processing methods. Some health benefits of using olive oil daily includes cardiovascular benefits. One of the most well-known health benefits of olive oil is its ability to improve cardiovascular health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants that can help to protect the heart from damage. Cancer prevention. Olive oil has also been shown to have cancer preventative properties. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help to decrease cell proliferation, while the antioxidants in olive oil can help to neutralize harmful free radicals. Additionally, olive oil has been shown to decrease the risk of several types of cancer, including breast cancer and colon cancer. Brain health. Olive oil has also been linked to improved brain health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help to protect the brain from damage, while the antioxidants in olive oil can help to improve cognitive function. Additionally, olive oil has been shown to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other age-related cognitive decline. Digestive health. Another health benefit of olive oil is that it can help to improve digestive health. Olive oil can help to stimulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. Additionally, olive oil can help to protect the stomach from damage and reduce the risk of ulcers. Skin health. Olive oil is also beneficial for skin health. The fatty acids in olive oil can help to moisturize and protect the skin from damage. Additionally, olive oil can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Hair health. Olive oil is also good for hair health. The fatty acids in olive oil can help to moisturize and protect the hair from damage. Additionally, olive oil can help to make the hair shinier and smoother. Weight loss. Despite being a fat, olive oil can actually help with weight loss. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help to increase satiety and reduce hunger. Additionally, studies have shown that people who consume olive oil are less likely to be overweight or obese than those who do not consume it. Inflammation. Olive oil has also been shown to reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in olive oil can help to neutralize harmful free radicals, while the anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil can help to reduce swelling and pain.